Hello everyone. So today's date is 20th July 2020 and recap of the topic is chapter 1 question number 2 A B C. It's already done in our previous class and today we will continue with chapter number 1 question number 2 D and E. Okay, and our new chapter number 2 kinds of plants, page number 130, and your assignment is chapter number 2 page number 134 and 135, and your seasons worksheets page number 41 to 46. First you have to write here date. Question number A, B and C is already done, and now D is name any one thing that non-living things cannot do. Name any one thing that non-living things cannot do. So, your answer is non-living things cannot breathe. Non-living things do not breathe. Non-living things do not move on their own, do not eat, do not grow, do not reproduce, do not have feelings. So, we can write here non-living things cannot breathe. B-R-E-A-T-H-E, breathe. Your last question is what are man-made things? What are man-made things? So your answer is man-made things are non-living things made by humans. Like watch, like television. Okay, so man-made things are non-living things made by human. Big and tall plants are called trees. They have a strong stem. The stem of a tree is called a trunk. Like see, this is trunk. Most trees have branches, and see, this is branches. Okay, and trees live for many years. See, shrubs are small plant. They are not as big as tree. Shrubs live for many years, but they do not live as long as trees. Their stems are hard. They do not bend easily. The weak stems, they cannot stand by themselves. Okay, they grow along the ground. They grow along the ground. So it's a creepers. It's a pumpkin creepers. Plants that grow along the ground are called creepers. And climbers also have weak stem. They cannot stand by themselves. Those that climb onto other plants or object, okay, are called climbers. See, climbers cannot stand by themselves. The kids, it's a basil, tulsi. Herbs are very small plant with very soft stem. They are smaller than shrubs. Okay, they grow in a garden. We use different kind of herbs in cooking and for making medicine. Herbs are also used for making perfumes. Herbs do not have woody stem. Their stem are soft, small and weak. Basil plant is a herb. And water plants, most plants grow on land and some grow in water. So this is lotus. Lotus is a water plant. Page number 133, put today's date near exercise. Choose the correct answer and fill in the blanks. It's a help box. Stem, shrubs, coriander, plants and trees. Trees are big plants. Trees have strong stems. Small plants with hard stems are shrubs. Shrubs do not live as long as tree. And coriander plant is a herb. Plants, P-L-A-N-T-S, plants. Stem, S-T-E-M-S, stem. S-H-R-U-B-S, shrubs. Trees, T-R-E-E-S, trees. And coriander, C-O-R-I-A-N-D-E-R. The correct sentence and cross the wrong ones. Trees have trunk. Yes, trees have trunks. Shrubs live for many years. No, shrubs live for many years, but they do not live as long as trees. So it's a wrong. Climbers and creepers need support to grow. Yes, they both need support to grow. Creepers grow along the ground. Yes, creepers grow along the ground. Herbs are smaller than shrubs. Yes, it's correct. Question 3 is, answer the following question. What are big and tall plants called? Big and tall plants are called trees. So you have to write here trees in this book only. What are plants that climb onto other plants called? Climbers. C-L-I-M-B-E-R-S, climbers. What are plants that grow along the ground called? Creepers. C-R-E-E-P-E-R-S, creepers. What type of stem do herbs have? Yes, herbs have soft, small, weak stems. So write here soft, small and weak. Where does the lotus grow? Everyone knows, in water. So write it W-A-T-E-R, water. Question number 4 is, it's your homework. Draw and color in your notebook. You can choose anyone, a climber or a water plant or a tree. Think and answer is also your homework. Say whether the following plants are trees, climbers, shrubs, water plants, herbs or creepers. Write the name under the correct picture. Look at the picture carefully and you have to write here the name. Now activity. What would the earth be like without trees? Make a list of things you will not have. Now this is your season challenge practice worksheet. You have to complete page number 41 to 46.